Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the activity on this watch. So let me start activity quickly. And let's say you have the activity going and you want to stop it. You can do it by pressing the start button. It will pause the workout. And once it does, after a few seconds, you will see this menu. And here you have two options. First, let me unlock the screen. So basically, by default, the screen will be locked. And you can swipe down like this to unlock it. And here we have options like save or discard. Save option, basically, if you tap on it, it will stop the workout and save your progression, your stats. And the discard will basically remove the stats. You won't save any data from the workout. I'm gonna use the save option just to show you how the workout summary looks like. So after you save the workout, it will give you the workout summary. And here you can check some stats from your workout, basically. Come on, you can scroll down through the pages. You can press the start button to see all stats and stuff like that. Training effect, laps, and you can also tap on done to finish the summary. You can also check the summary on the phone that is paired with your watch. So if you have the watch paired with a phone and you have the Garmin Connect application, of course you need to, if you've paired the devices together, you can go to the Garmin Connect and open the app, of course. So open the Garmin Connect, then tap on more activities. And here we have recent activities. We have the running and we can tap on it. And here we have some stats from the all-day running activity. And if you go to the 7 days recent ones, you will see the basically recent activities at the bottom, and you can tap on them to see the stats for them. And here you have the stats for specific workout, basically, because this page basically shows you the progression throughout the year. You can check multiple workouts right here, the graphs and stuff like that. Here we have the specific one at the bottom. Okay, and that's how you stop the activity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.